New at 4, a date has been set in former President Trump's classified documents trial. The federal judge set August 14th as the start date for Trump's criminal trial in Florida, just 55 days from now.
The former president pleaded not guilty to 37 felony counts of mishandling classified documents in that historic court appearance last week. Queen City News chief political analyst Khalif Rhodes is back with us in the studio with the latest analysis.
Yeah, and Khalif, this is a summer trial, quicker than what we thought, but this is unprecedented with an American president going to be going to trial now.
So obviously unprecedented, uncharted waters for sure. I think obviously judges have absolute control of the direction and the timing of the case. So Judge Cannon has already done that. Last week she said every attorney that has anything to do with this case has to hurry up and make sure they can get their classified process started. And they wanted the deadline by Friday and let her know by today, actually. And so that showed what's happening. In terms of what was in her order today, yeah, she gave us a date when we'll have a trial. I don't expect that to happen anytime in August. We'll have pretrial motions that'll be filed. Those can take a long time to occur. And so I look forward to this probably taking several months after August before we ever see an actual real trial date.
And as we know, Trump has been defending his innocence ever since that indictment came down. So here's what he recently said in a new interview with Fox News.
Why not just hand them over then?
Because I had boxes. I want to go through the boxes and get all my personal things out. I don't want to hand that over to NARA yet. And I was very busy, as you've sort of seen. These boxes were interspersed with all sorts of things. Golf shirts, clothing, pants, shoes. There were many things. I would say much more, not that I know of, but everything was declassified.
All right, so obviously doing the TV circuit there. So what exactly do you think Trump's legal strategy is here?
Well, I can tell you that interview, I've had an opportunity to watch the whole thing, incoherent, potentially incriminating, and definitely irresponsible. If I'm representing him, I'm telling him not to do that. And so that's clearly not a part of the legal strategy.
Can that be used against him?
It for sure can, and you don't want your clients talking about anything regarding the case. And so obviously you heard the admission that I had the document, and I don't know if you caught that he said you had pants and shoes and shirts and Iran plans in there. And so that question kind of thrown there at the end, he was trying to get him to double down. Well, did you actually have what you stated that you had and what they have you on tape saying that you had? And the former president attempted to try to outmaneuver that question by saying, really, I didn't have documents per se. So the indictment said you had documents.
All right. Chief Legal Analyst Khalif Rhodes, thanks so much for joining us as always.